Going out to meet friends for a teppanyaki dinner is great, but a 20% savings on drive-up rates with a First Parking Express membership is delicious. And with license plate recognition, you never have to take a ticket or worry about full price. It only takes a moment to register online as a member and saves you an eternity when you're trying to find a park on your nights out. Once registered, just drive up and into the car park that suits you. No waiting around for a park, or for food apparently. With lots of locations to choose from, it's only ever a short walk back to the car, which is especially helpful if you're driving a friend who's had a few sake. If your license plate doesn't work, you have your own unique QR code on your dashboard at this link. Simply hold it up to the scanner at the entry or exit. You can also add the QR code to your Google or Apple Wallet to make life easier. First Parking's modern and clean facilities means they're safe to use, and there's no need to book online for a park. It's even safer on your wallet too, with easy to understand flat rates that are paid on exit. And that's even better if you're a member like me. Payment comes from your registered credit card with a receipt emailed to you once you're done. So what are you waiting for? Happy parking.